Why talking in your first language matters. Tips from the TDSB speech-language pathologists. In the Toronto District School Board, more than 50% of our students speak a language other than English at home, and over 100 different languages are represented in the TDSB community. Families often wonder if they should be speaking to their children in their first language at home, and the answer is yes. It is important for children to learn their culture and identity. Speaking in your home language will not confuse your children. In fact, it will help your child understand more about the world. A strong first language helps ESL students learn English, and growing up bilingual has an overall positive effect on a child's cognitive and academic development. Families can help by continuing to speak, read, and sing with their children in their first language. You can also help your child at school by connecting with your child's teacher and talking to your child in your first language about what they are learning about in school. For instance, the teacher may tell you or your child that they will be working on a particular topic or reading a specific book in class. At home, you can build your child's knowledge on the class topic or book by talking about it, reading or telling the story, or providing related experiences, all in your first language. Let's look at 5 tips that you can do in your first language at home to help your child make connections, speak, listen, read, and write, which will help them at school. Use your first language in everyday activities. If they are learning about healthy food, try activities during grocery shopping, cooking, or mealtime. If they are learning about colors, talk about it during laundry. And if they are learning about space, take a look at the sky at night. Talk about the words that they will learn in class using your first language. Describe it. Name what category it belongs to. Talk about its parts, as well as related words or functions. In your first language, work on listening and understanding. Ask them to show you. At the grocery store, give them an instruction. And when reading a book, ask questions. Visit the library and see if you can find the book that they will be reading in class. Sometimes they might even have the book in your home language, but if not, talking about the pictures in the book is also important. Read and talk about books on the same topic. You can also pick words from the book and work on early reading skills like clapping out the parts in a word. Invite your child to draw or write in their first language. Make cards, help with a shopping list, write letters or messages, and write their names. When you use your first language at home to build your child's knowledge on the class topic or book by talking about it, reading or telling the story, or providing related experiences, this will help your child when learning in school. Please connect with TDSB SLP through various social media, such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for more information.